Ever tried copying a PDF table into Excel and ended up with a total mess? It is a nightmare. But there's a way to keep your formatting perfectly organized while you convert. Today, I'll show you the exact steps to turn that static PDF into a fully functional Excel file so you can start calculating immediately. In this video, I'll show you how to do it using Systweak PDF editor. First, click Open PDF and select the PDF you want to convert. Here you can see our PDF contains a table with different entries and numbers. Now go to the top menu bar and click on Convert. From here, click Convert to. Select PDF to Excel from the available options. A new window will appear. Here, confirm the output format and choose the destination folder where you want to save the Excel file. Now click Convert to Excel. The tool will convert the PDF into an Excel file and save it in the selected folder. The Excel file is now saved in the selected folder. Let us open it in Excel and see how the converted data looks. Here is the original PDF, and now let us open the Excel file we just created. As you can see, the data is now available in Excel with the rows and columns perfectly organized. The information is also editable, so you can click on any cell and make changes just like you normally would in Excel. For example, you can change an entry, update a value, or add new information. And because the data is now in Excel, you can also sort it, organize the columns, or use Excel formulas to calculate the numbers. So instead of manually copying data from a PDF and creating the spreadsheet yourself, you can convert it directly into Excel and start working with the data. And if you regularly work with multiple PDF files, Systweak PDF Editor also supports batch conversion, so you can convert multiple PDFs to Excel at once. This can save a lot of time when you're working with a large number of documents. So this is how you can convert a PDF to Excel while keeping the data properly organized and then edit and work with that data easily. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.